Living room interior design guidelines. Whether starting from scratch or working with existing furnishings, the following design tips will assist in creating the captivating and stylish living or family room that you envision. If you are unsure of the look you want to achieve or just need some inspiration, look at magazines, watch home design shows on TV, visit the showrooms of new homes, or hire an interior designer. When assembling all the various pieces and layers of a room, fundamental concerns to keep in mind are style, scale, hierarchy, color, and details. Style. In broad terms, style is generally described in terms of modern, contemporary, transitional, traditional, or eclectic. Yet, more descriptive definitions include the choice of a theme such as traditional Georgian, modern 60s retro, contemporary coastal, and so on. Keeping a consistent style in a room can make a strong statement about that particular style. On the other hand, mixing styles can add an interesting complexity to a room. Decide on a style and theme early in the design process so that you have a strong direction.